Hello, and welcome to the Red Path. On this path, I invite you to use your imagination to take a walk through the past. Let's start with the English translation to vieni, tardar, from Mozart's Marriage of Figaro.
Oh, come, don't be late, my beautiful joy. Come where love calls you to enjoyment, until night's torches no longer shine in the sky, as long as the air is still dark and the world quiet. Hear the river murmurs and the light plays that restores the heart with sweet ripples. Hear little flowers laugh and the grass is fresh. Here, everything entices one to love's pleasures. Come, my dear, among these hidden plants. Come, come, I want to crown you with roses.
Now let's listen to Marcella Sembrich in the role of Susanna. And as I look down the path, I can't help but wonder which tree Figaro is hiding behind, fuming with anger because he thinks Susanna, his bride, is singing to another, not realizing that she is singing directly to him. Classic Mozart humor, but not too unlike us either. Not hearing nature's song of love to us with each passing moment. In the swaying of the trees, the curling of the clouds. And as we walk further down the path, I think of the history here at the Sembrich, a hidden jewel among the trees. Imagining the great artists that walked the same path, the contralto Louise Homer, or the violinist George Porter Smith. Perhaps we can catch a glimpse of the modern dancer Franciscus Boas, with a backdrop of the lake and surrounding mountains. Or the sculptor David Smith, contemplating the noonday sun for his next sculpture. And as we walk further down the path, we see the University of Modern Languages, with its mossy roof and viridian walls, imagining the sopranos, otherwise known affectionately as Sembrich's chicks or chickens, learning various arias and recitatives from the pantheon of great composers. This room has been my makeshift studio for many past projects, and has always inspired me to tap into my imagination, as I'm hoping you are today. Is there a breeze slipping through the hidden plants? Sweet ripples on the water? And as we walk up to the house, I invite you to imagine Marcella singing from the center of the room, just in time to hear her sweetly sing the closing lines. Come, come, I want to crown you with roses.